half of all small businesses survive past the 5-year mark, and under a third of them survive past the 10-year mark. How can you be in the top 30%? You need a sustainable and profitable business idea that's going to carry you through the ups and downs of the economy. Here are 10 business ideas with a $1 million a year potential, and they're all in growing industries with big markets. This is not a video about generic businesses everyone and their mom has already done. They are fresh. So let's get your business up and running by this year so you can make your first $1 million. I also have a bonus high profit idea at the end, so don't miss out on that. Every business needs 3 core things: a problem, a solution to that problem, and a way to monetize the solution. I will break down each of these ideas into those 3 elements so we can get your creative juices flowing. My problem is that I need caffeine 24/7, and the cafe across the street has a solution to my problem. And I'm pretty sure they're taking all of my disposable income, but it tastes so good. If you're looking for a business that you can do remotely and you have a knack for finances, then this first one's for you. Business idea number 1, financial services for digital nomads. The problem: digital nomads make money from different countries and they often live all over the world for different months. Dealing with taxes and bank accounts while moving abroad can be extremely stressful. The solution? You help them manage their financial needs and goals. Tax management across borders, expense tracking, retirement planning, and banking tips. Basically everything to do with making money abroad. There are around 40 million digital nomads worldwide. Even if you aren't a financial guru, you can make an app or agency for this and hire financial experts. Remember that being an entrepreneur is about building a system, not necessarily knowing how to do it all. Looking for a fresh way to leverage AI? Here is idea number 2. AI-powered spreadsheet solutions for data preservation companies. Problem: data companies deal with a ton of information on a daily basis. They have a lot of complex spreadsheets with loads and loads of data. That would be pretty hard to manage. So what's the solution? You come in and design an AI that helps automate the spreadsheet creation process. The offer: done-for-you spreadsheet services or courses on how to run and automate data efficiently. Efficiency could be saving these companies millions of dollars. It is a $349 billion industry. If you're good with people and want to work with entrepreneurs, this business is for you. Idea number 3, accountability coaching for solopreneurs. The problem: solopreneurs have a lot to do in a day, and it can be really hard for them to have self-discipline. The solution? You build a service that helps keep them accountable through coaching, habit tracking, and community. The offer: 6-month accountability coaching packages. If you want to become a certified coach, there are a lot of cost-effective ways. You can literally get certified online, I'm pretty sure for as little as $20. And coaches can make a lot of money. For example, Brooke Castillo runs a life coach business making around $35 million annually. Idea number 4, lead generation for agencies. The problem: agencies need a constant flow of clients who need their services. This can be really hard to grow and manage. The solution: you create online and offline lead generation for them. For example, you can help with social media, targeted ads, lead magnets, partnerships, and referrals. Lead generation in general is one of the top needs of any business. And if you can figure it out for other businesses, you can also figure it out for your own, because all businesses need leads. For anyone wondering, a lead is a potential customer looking to buy what you are selling. Okay, stay with me, guys. This is you, the viewer, and these are leads, okay? You want them to like you and to give you their money, okay? Okay. But seriously, if you like bringing people together around a common interest, this next business is for you. Idea number 5, community management for online businesses. Since 2020, so many people have gone online, from businesses to solopreneurs to coaches, you name it. There is basically another planet online that we are all living on. The problem: a lot of businesses and coaches struggle to build and manage their communities on platforms like School, Shopify, Facebook, or Discord. The solution? You help them grow and manage their community. The offer: member support, moderation, event planning, and community growth strategy. Idea number 6, client acquisition agency for home service businesses. People don't realize how much money there is in blue-collar work. There is a constant need for people to upkeep their home, so there's a lot of money to be made. The problem? Home service businesses such as plumbers, electricians, and landscapers often struggle to find consistent customers. They have employees, contractors to pay, and families to feed, so they need consistent clients. With so much work on their hands, it can be hard to think about marketing and client acquisition. The solution? You help connect them with leads and long-term clients. Your offer: local SEO, phone call outreach, paid ads, cold email marketing, and content marketing. Depending on your skills, there are a lot of ways you can help them find their ideal clients. Home services are always in demand, and you have the potential to secure long-term contracts, setting up a predictable income stream for you and your clients. You can even operate remotely, and it would have very low overhead costs, which means that you can scale it very easily. You can charge a percent of each sale, a flat rate, or both. If you have a high GPA and you love to teach people, then this next business could work very well for you. Idea number 7, high-ticket tutoring for competitive college admissions. The problem? Wealthy parents want their children to get into prestigious universities, but sometimes their kids need a little help. The solution? You become a specialized tutor for standardized tests and college application essays. Offer one-on-one and group tutoring online for an hourly or monthly rate. Once you have enough clients, you can start hiring tutors under you, and now you have a $1 million business. Idea number 8, the 20-day habit change concierge. The problem? People struggle to develop and stick to new habits. I mean, don't we all? Sometimes I even forget to put on my retainer, and I have been doing it for almost 10 years. The solution? You can create a concierge service that provides 20 days or more of in-person or online support to help people change their desired habits. The offer? Custom-tailored plans for each habit that they want to change. You can create diet and exercise plans, hygiene routines, productivity strategies, honestly, anything that they need. And you can keep them accountable with daily check-ins, progress tracking, and phone support. If you're a life coach, are great at making plans, or you know what motivates people, then this would be a very good one for you. Idea number 9, DMCA takedown business. DMCA stands for Digital Millennium Copyright Act. This is where you monitor the web for copyright infringement, such as unauthorized use of images, videos, software, or music, and you legally request to move it from the platform or account. The problem? A lot of artists and creatives have a very hard time protecting their digital assets. The solution? You will help them protect their creations and prevent potential revenue loss. The offer? Monthly DMCA takedown services. An ideal client for this would be creators, musicians, e-commerce businesses, photographers, basically anyone whose work can be stolen. They will pay you for this because by having protection around their artwork, they can charge people for using it. I have a lot of friends who are influencers who have found their photos and videos on random websites. Not fun. You can help them out and make good money while you're doing it. And remember guys, like Mark Cuban said, the first million is the hardest. Once you make that, it gets easier because you know what it takes. Idea number 10, eco-friendly children's toy subscription service. The problem? Kids are constantly needing new toys as they grow up, and there aren't a lot of sustainable options for kids' toys. The solution? Provide a monthly subscription box of sustainable, non-toxic, and educational toys for children within a certain age group, and then rotate toy selections to keep children engaged while promoting environmental responsibility. The offer? Monthly toy subscriptions, partnerships with eco-friendly toy manufacturers, and exclusive member discounts. With increasing awareness of environmental issues, parents are seeking sustainable options for their children. Okay guys, as promised, I have a bonus high profit business idea for you. Don't underestimate the power of a boring business. The bonus idea is remote customer service support for e-commerce businesses. In today's AI-driven world, we've become used to AI agents handling customer service. But as a customer myself, I always want to talk to a real person. I get super annoyed when I only have the option to speak to AI. Sometimes it's good to keep things a little bit old school. The problem? E-commerce businesses need help with their customer support, and hiring in-house staff can be way too expensive and time-consuming. The solution? Remote customer support services with a team of real people who work as virtual assistants trained specifically for e-commerce customer service. The offer? website support, email support, processing orders and handling returns, customer calls, and basic troubleshooting. I know for me, good customer service is kind of a make it or break it. When a company has bad customer service, they may lose my sale, so this is an absolute need. Shopify hosts the majority of the largest e-commerce businesses. You can get your Shopify account set up and start marketing to them. And guess what? There is a free trial linked down below. There's a concept that really hit me when I heard it. If I said you have to make $1 million in a year, do you think you could do it? No, maybe too much. What if you had to make $1 million in a year or else you would lose everyone you love? Would you do it? Yes. What changed? Your capability didn't change. Your motivation did. That is why finding the right motivation behind your business is key. If any of these businesses resonated with you, spend some time after watching this video and get down your why. This is gonna be what keeps you going when things get challenging. These are all of the $1 million business ideas that I have for today. The way you will get to $1 million is by scaling your operations. Once you find something that works, scale it. Hire people to replace you, automate, and then just do more of what's working. Guys, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start creating. These are all viable ways for you to make $1 million within a year's time and change your life. I'm Chris McCollins. Thank you so much for watching Learn with Shopify. I love making these videos for you, so if you found it valuable, please give us a like and a comment to let us know. And subscribe to catch our weekly videos on all things business.